Hi guys, so finally got to see the conservatory. It's turned into the laundry room. You've been doing the laundry up? He's disappearing on me. So we'll just be discussing the layout for tomorrow because he was just saying April's been trying to bribe him to clean the windows. So I think that's a job for him for tomorrow. My coconut plant didn't survive. But my banana plant's starting to recover, so that's a plus. We're just looking at where we're putting stuff at the minute. So I think that bookcase will come here. We can use it for charging. The desk will end up over here. I was going to put it across here, but what I'm thinking is if it's on that side, we can open up all that glass when it's nice and warm. So that's going to go there. Then the big TV unit there, and we sort of leaves quite a large floor area from when we're doing the VR stuff. And then I'll have to have a think about the electrics, but I'll get the desk out of there first because I've got to take the electric feed from there anyway. Maybe that fan will come out here. But what time is it? My phone's flat. So just got back to Spain anyway. Will be just showing me the new door because it's got more than one setting. Because if you, there's a slide and lock at the bottom. You pull it down at the top. But if you latch it on the top there, you can leave it open for a bit of ventilation. So just leave it slightly open. Then obviously on my other video it sort of showed how all that slides back. But it's getting there. Let's go out here for a minute. I'm going to go and have my cup of tea. I think I'm going to put some fake grass down here. Maybe up to the wall there, or maybe up to this edge. Because that section there is a bit of a work in progress. Oh, it's a bit of a dump site at the minute, but it's getting there. How are these? These are pretty solid. So I'm happy with that as well. We only went this far because we may be boxing that in with something yet. We haven't decided what we're doing. So we do decide to extend it. It's just a small section, but I'm pretty chuffed with this, to be fair. Got white guttering, which isn't ideal. But to be fair, I think it goes quite well with the walls anyway, so I'm not going to grumble. It might be good to have that bit of contrast against the grey, rather than have everything grey. I'm going to decide what I'm going to do with the ceiling here as well, because I want to tie this up. It's a little bit abattoir for me. I'll have a think on that one. Got to cover it somehow. Then see where we've got the beam across the top there. This is where I think we're going to drop some blinds down. I'm thinking of getting the bamboo ones like the one we've got over here. So we'll have a think about that, because I've got to speak to Doss about that. See if she agrees or not. She may have different ideas. But it looks like I'll be in Leroy Merlin all day tomorrow. My usual haunt when I'm in Spain. But yeah, it's looking good. Except for all the laundry. But that's partly my fault, because if that comes out of there, April's got a laundry area. Obviously it's been a bit windy and don't know if it's been raining here, but with the wind it gets dusty with the sand, because obviously we're not far from the beach. So all good, not complaining. And I'm going to have a think about a heater as well, because obviously we've got all that surface area there for solar. So because what I want to try and do, just lock the door, haven't I, is extend from sort of there all the way across to there with solar panels. I've got to have a think about it yet, because the electric bill ain't that big. But to be fair, if I can get aircon for free and maybe solar heating for free, why not? Because then we can not worry about bills and weather, which is nice. They sealed that. Alright, Mr. Bit. I'll do that tomorrow myself. I'll run a seal all the way down there. Check all the joints and the corners myself. And if anybody asks what I do for a living, I actually manage projects, building projects on clinics, hospitals, schools, libraries. What else have I worked on? Oil and gas, done it for Shell Oil as well. So yeah, I'm quite fussy, but at the same time, not sure why you missed that bit, but it's not worth them coming back for it. They've filled it, but they haven't sealed it. And April's saying that what I've used here is dusty, but I think it's the outside one which may just want sealing, because inside it seems alright. Or maybe it's just because the weather's been that cold it hasn't had a chance to dry properly. Anyway, I'm going to go and have a cup of tea. I've just flown in, and kids have been through my bags for presents, so see my present, so I'm quite happy with the new office space. And obviously I've made a mess already because I was trying to see where the rug would fit, because I'm not sure if I'm going to insulate the floor then go over the top of it yet. Still thinking about it, because it's not urgent, because obviously it's already a tile floor anyway. I'm much happier now. Much happier. And obviously we've got some of our little Christmas lights to come up as well tomorrow, because we've got our little trees there. Now you can come back out here. Fantastic.